G-Squad, top of the morning to y'all, baby. Tall guy back in the flesh with another legendary video, man. As you can see, I just got done putting into work, man. Got some ropes and all that stuff, man. Real techniques on the workouts and all that, man. But got a lot of legendary stuff happening throughout this video today. Make sure y'all stay tuned and don't skip no ads. I greatly appreciate it. But if y'all hear that noise in the back, that's why I clicked on this video right now this early in the morning, because I want to show y'all this. So the people are out here today, this morning, cleaning the windows. It's a little bit muggy day out today, man, so don't mind the fog and all that. But yeah, they're out here cleaning the windows. And I came in from the gym and they're literally on my level. And I'm sitting there looking. I remember walking up from the gym, I was seeing them up here, and I didn't know if they were right in front of my window or not, but it was a long drop. Hey, I don't wish that upon nobody, but like, that is crazy, man. Look at that. Never, like, I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm terrified of heights, but man, that thing's rockety and bumpity and all that. Ain't no way, man. Like, they gotta be paying me a big stupid dummy duffel bag, and I know they getting big guap. All right, G-Squad, so here's what we got going on today, man. I talked to my insurance people today. They obviously miscommunicated to me what we could do as far as like taking the parts off the Hellcat and putting them right here on the Bloody Cat, the Life of Jeremy Barrett. Make sure you go subscribe. The link is in the description below. So pretty much what they're saying now is they switched up their story. For whatever reason, the most annoying, most confusing shit ever, and I've been on the phone with them numerous times this morning, man. And so I have to take the Bloody Cat to the lot where my Hellcat is at, and I have to literally swap the parts right then and there on the ground. I'm assuming it's like on some dirt, or either it's like in a regular, you know, cement floor like this or something like that. So what they're pretty much requesting is you got to go there. I'd have to take off the headers, I'd have to take off the full exhaust, I'd have to take off tires, rims, pulley. I mean, really the hard part would be the headers and the full exhaust in the carbon fiber drive shaft, right then and there on the spot, and literally taking that off the Hellcat and putting it on this one, but then taking the parts off of this one at the same time and swapping the parts and then putting them ones back on the stock ones on this one, putting it back on the Hellcat, because what they're saying is that it cannot, if it messes with the drivetrain of the car, the drivability of the car, I have to have replacement factory parts. So I have to take the ones off this Hellcat and put it on my Hellcat with my old Hellcat, the Hellcat, and yeah, so I had to literally uninstall them on the Hellcat in a nutshell, uninstall them on the Bloody Cat, and then swap them over, install the stock ones back on the Hellcat, and install the aftermarket ones on the Bloody Cat. Yes, I know it's a mouthful, man. My arms get tired just telling y'all that, man. But yeah, that's what they're requesting that I do now. So I honestly don't know what I should do. Comment below and let me know. But hey, man, if it ain't one thing, it's always another, man. But you gotta keep on pushing, gotta keep on grinding. You'll figure it out along the way. I'm gonna go up to RDB, see what Vic and them got to say about it, and I'll get y'all on camera, or get them on camera when we get there, man. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and start the Bloody Cat. I'm figuring that we should take the Bloody Cat, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to actually go up there to the lot to where my car is at, and just try to see the layout of it and figure out how I can do it, because I got a feeling that I might have to fuck around and do this myself. Damn, that's crazy, right? Your boy Slim ain't never did no shit like this, so oh well, man. Let's start it up. Let's go. That's a Mercedes too, if y'all wondering what that sound is. And you got another BMW right there. They just rolling around here and they going crazy. Look at them. They going nuts. They be flying through this thing, I'm telling y'all. Without further ado, I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, now we are here at RDB, and I'm currently sitting on hold, waiting to talk to my insurance adjuster. But you see a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Not a Roadster, but an SVJ nonetheless. Sorry about the music too, y'all, but yeah, gotta make sure I can hear him when he definitely answers and says something. That joint is ridiculous. That SVJ on that thing with the flag, with the scoop. Full blacked out window, that's the way to do it. He got red in there, even though he got his windshield tinted. You can see the red in there on the dash too, with the Alcantara and the carbon fibers. This joint's a pure monster, man. You got a demon right here too. This joint goes hard. Look at that big dumbass demon sign right there. Sheesh. Look at the carbon fibers. Look at the snout on that thing. Damn, that joint buck ass nasty, y'all. About 600-something thousand, something like that, give or take, just in there. And then you got the carbon fiber McLaren. Y'all heard that thing. That thing big, stupid, ridiculous loud too. Look at that scoop. Man, that's the one right there though, y'all, that SVJ. I just want the Roadster. But honestly, I'll take any Aventador I can get my hands on, to be real with y'all, man, because that's big dream come true. Look at that. Look at the aero pack on this joint. Look at the little window right there, man. That thing crazy type. Got some brown in there too on the V12 with the carbon fiber. Damn. This joint is nasty. So I'm sitting on hold right now. waiting to talk to the insurance guy. But this morning, I called the place where my car is sitting at, right? And they told me that it wasn't green light to be picked up like my insurance guy told me. That it was, that the parts had to be exchanged right there on the spot. Yeah, I know, right?
The messed up part is you and I have no control over this.
So what you mean? Explain it.
As in, if they're holding the car, that means the insurance company agreed that it's a total loss, correct?
Correct.
So Copart doesn't want to let cars go out of their lot.
Right.
So that's how they are. That's just how every, that's how every junkyard or any other salvage company works, right?
All right, hold on. He just answered the phone. Hold on. Right. You here? What do you say now, Charlie?
All right, so I did speak to management here, and you can do this. Just I have to set a couple expectations prior to you picking up the vehicle and then bringing the vehicle back. That's your expense, okay? And in the meantime, when it does arrive...
The jacket, let me have it.
Let me have your jacket, bro.
All right, y'all, so here it goes. Me and my guy Mono, we just got the phone with him, man. What's it looking like Monday, right?
Yeah, Monday we should get it in. Take a couple of days to get it done, and you're good to go.
We got a 3-day window, right?
Yeah,
so
they want the car back in 3 days.
Yeah, and it got to be functioning and driving and all that.
It has to be back to normal. Everything has to be the same way when you dropped it off. So,
because you know what I was thinking? I was thinking like we just take the parts off the Hellcat and just give them the parts to the Bloody Cat, but that wouldn't have been cool, huh?
No.
They've been tripping?
Yeah.
Why y'all got to put them on the, why they can't? If they want the parts here, y'all put them damn things on. Right?
I wish it was like that.
Yeah, well, you just want to take.
We wouldn't be in business
money
if it was like that.
Yeah.
We wouldn't be in business if it was like that.
Because, but yeah, that's true. But the thing is, how y'all gonna want to take my? I don't get the insurance and all that stuff, and then the people that's got the damn car because y'all want to take my money, and you want to take my car, total it out, and then you want to take my money that I got tied into the car. It's either come get it, get done in 3 days, or we take your money.
Or we yeah. So what? I'll rather just do it quick for you because you're a friend.
Of course. Appreciate it. See, look, I told you, mine don't like me, man.
We're positive. Negativity shit here, bro.
Go subscribe to my guy Mono's YouTube channel, man. RDBLA. The link's in the description below, man. But this SVJ, bro. Ooh-wee. Yeah. That is the one, man. Yeah. With the roaster. I need the roaster, though, because, the tall person, so I'm going to need the full.
Yeah, your head's not going to fit.
Yeah. Man, y'all got the Demon. Y'all got a Hellcat wide body. Y'all got the McLaren 720S.
2 Demons.
Ferrari. Is that a Demon?
That's a Demon.
Are you sure? No way. That can't be. That's not. Bro, I got to see for myself. Hold on. Is it a Demon? It is a Demon. Damn, you're right. Damn, I called it a Hellcat. I gotta give you that, brother. Okay, damn, he knows what's in this shop. They pay you, so you know what's up in here.
That's a fucking Demon.
Yeah, that's definitely a Demon. He ain't lying. Damn. So y'all got 2 Demons, the yellow Demon, white Demon. Yep. Damn, that's right, crazy, man. Which one would y'all rather have out of all these cars in here? Would you rather have the Demon, this Demon, the Bloody Cat, or the Aventador SVJ, or the McLaren 720S with the stupid dummy loud exhaust, or that old 512, is it 512? Rory?
Testarossa?
Is that what it is? That's Testarossa? Oh, okay, yeah. I'm not that familiar with the trims on Ferraris, but...
I'll pick the Hellcat.
No, you wouldn't.
Nah, I'm just playing.
Good one, though. I'm going SVJ.
SVJ, I'm not.
It's not even close. Like, there's nothing in here.
We can't.
Because that's about, what, 600,000-700,000? 600?
Yeah.
Damn.
Because the colors matter on these cars.
Yeah.
The matte red. It's kind of similar to your car.
Yeah, that joint's nasty.
Color.
The Bloody Cat. Oh, that's true, huh?
It is pretty similar.
It is. Pretty nice, though, man. But I'm going to get up out of here. I know y'all got a lot going on, brother.
All right, bro.
I appreciate you, my guy. No question, man. Don't forget the fist bump, brother.
Oh,
I'm telling y'all right now, man. I'm going to get that Lamborghini Aventador. I promise y'all, man. I've been saying it for a while now. But, y'all, damn, what the hell? Big radio music on that thing. But, yeah, that Aventador SV or J or just regular Aventador. That joint's gonna be mine one day. Y'all, look at this truck right here. That thing is sitting up beefy, ain't it? Big time. That thing don't be honking at me, bitch. I'll slap the shit out of you. But look at that truck. Damn. That thing's sitting up crazy, yo. I like it, man. I don't like those rivets, though. I never liked no rivet on no wide body kit on no car or on no truck. I don't know. I think it makes it look tacky, but that's a nice lift kit on the truck for sure. Now we are back at the crib, man, and we are about to get the Bloody Cat all cleaned up. You know, they do a good job over here. Make sure you holler at them. Andrew's Mobil Wash. The link will be in the description below to his Instagram right there. Make sure y'all holler at him and all the numbers and all that stuff. right here or right there. So go ahead and give them a call and holler at them. Andrew's Mobile Car Wash. What whip do y'all think I should get next? I like these right here. Them SLSs, GT, AMGs. The way the doors go up is crazy. G-Wagons is cool, but you know, I'm more of a coupe kind of dude. What about a Corvette? I think I should get a Corvette. What about that C8? Y'all think I should get that for the next whip? Or Lamborghini Aragon? Nah, I need the Doze to go, baby. No offense to anybody who has a Lamborghini Aragon, because that's a legendary car. But you know, if I get a Lamborghini, I want them doors to go up. We still got the Ram Reezy though, but obviously we're going to incorporate something new to the channel, man. I think I should do something like a new truck, new coupe, new four-door. I mean, it's got to be a coupe, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Got to be a coupe. So comment below. Let me know what y'all think, man. There is that ACR Viper. The only thing is, I would do the Viper if I was still back in Minnesota. You got the McLaren joint right there. And I honestly feel like if I was to get the McLaren, it would have to be like, I don't know, it can't be the Baby Mook. You know, even though there ain't nothing wrong with it. But this ACR Viper, man, this is the one. Like, I would get this if I was still in Minnesota, if that happened to the Hellcat out that way. Because, I mean, look at this damn thing. Look at the arrow on this joint. That thing is ridiculous. Damn, 355 tires in the back and all that big carbon fibers right here. Like, this joint is stupid. Look at that spoiler. I mean, come on, man. If this came in automatic, no question, this would be the one that I would buy next for the channel for sure, until I got the Lamborghini Aventador. But that Lamborghini Aventador seemed hella far out of the way for right now, man. But comment below, let me know, what do y'all think I should get next? Just like that, we are home, G Squad, and that's pretty much the end of the video, man. Look at the magnificent view while the Bloody Cat is downstairs getting cleaned up, man. I'm gonna take y'all out here as usual, baby, and just show y'all, you know, what I always show y'all, and it's this legendary blessing of a view, baby. Oh damn, look at the people right there, all putting in the wires right now for this LED strip that's on this side. They putting it on this building right now. What's up, man? Y'all still up there working? Damn. That's one scary ass job right there, man. Damn, big anxiety attack. And that thing big wobbly too. Look at it. I don't know how they do it, man. What's up, man? Filming me, film you. There you go, brother. I'm gonna wait till y'all come down here. I wanna ask y'all some questions about that damn job. Damn. That is crazy. I don't know how the hell they do that shit, boy. That's a tough job. I seriously don't know how the hell they do this job. Would y'all do this job? How much money would they have to pay you to do a job like this? Comment below and let me know. But like I said, they are installing those different color changing LEDs on the side of this building, and on the side of that one it's already done. Now they're putting this one on this side, and they're gonna do one on the other side of the same building. But yeah, this is crazy, man. What's up, man? How the hell y'all do this job, man?
Huh?
How the hell y'all be doing this, man? Y'all don't be scared for y'all life? Do they give y'all life insurance for this?
Hell no.
For real?
No, they probably didn't.
The 401k gotta be crazy.
The union.
Oh yeah, union, you big backed up for the rest of the eternal history. So you all the way good. The union, you good when you got the union behind you. They ain't never gonna let you go down, whether you right or wrong, you know?
Nah, they take care of us.
Oh yeah, damn. Y'all some crazy motherfuckers though, boy. Y'all never gotta like tell yourself to like check your anxiety. There gotta be some times where y'all think like, you don't look down? Hop in, yeah. All right. He told me that this morning. I'd never hop up in there. Crazy man. I know y'all family be worried about y'all, don't they? No?
They don't care.
Have y'all ever looked? Y'all know this is one of the most dangerous jobs though, right?
Yeah, something happens to us, they get paid.
Oh, for real? Oh, well, man, damn. Well, y'all good then, but you good but not good. Yeah, somebody gonna be good. Well, y'all want to shout out? Y'all want to put your Instagrams or anything on there?
I tagged you in the video.
Oh, for real? On Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go check and look. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. It be getting lost in the haystack up in there, man.
Yeah.
But go.
Tagged you.
Yeah, go ahead. You want to tell me your Instagram?
ZAMUDIO.S.
Okay. What about you, man? Look,
I don't have all that.
that's crazy. Rolling off the damn building as he talking like it's just normal. The dude back there just chilling. Man, never. That's crazy. And the only way I think I'd ever attempt to I would need something like how y'all got the cables hooked up to this whole machine. I would need something hooked up to my body just in case this thing tight. You know what I mean?
Like lifeline?
I don't know. I need a separate wire for just me. You know what I mean? Yeah, y'all got big trust in this. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That's crazy, man. Hey, man, well, big kudos to y'all, man. Nice meeting y'all, man. Straight up, man. You want to tell me your Instagram, man?
Nah, I'm good, man.
You good? Want that privacy, huh? Oh, you ain't got all that, you big dinosaur, man? Yeah, it's all good, man. Well, y'all have a good one, man. Y'all be safe doing that shit, man. I respect y'all for that, too, because I would never. The bloody cat is all cleaned up, baby. Ooh, look at that thing. Looking magnificent, ain't it? Looking extra expeditious type. Well, I don't even know if that's a damn word, man. But anyway, man, there y'all go. That thing is all cleaned up. I just made a new word, man. Look it up in the Urban Dictionary. If you ain't got no damn drip, I don't know what to tell you. But that's it, man. I gotta go over here and grab the key from my people over here, man. Talk. I am out. I'll see y'all next video tomorrow, baby.